In this video, I'm going to explain how to convert a normal 3x3 scramble into an R'U''F padded FMC scramble that leads to the same cube state. I'll be using Cube Explorer to do this. If you've never used Cube Explorer before, I've included download and tutorial links in the description. Here's the scramble I'm going to be converting. Let's start by simply putting R'U''F at the beginning and end. Of course, this now leads to a different cube state, but we can fix that. By inserting F'Ur between the scramble and padding, R'U''F cancels, meaning only the original scramble affects the cube. FMC scrambles aren't supposed to contain redundant moves, however. We need to replace this middle section with an equivalent set of moves which won't cancel R'U''F. This is where Cube Explorer is useful. I'm going to copy these moves, paste them into the maneuver box, and apply them to the cube. Selecting Add and Generate then tells Cube Explorer to produce an equivalent set of moves. We can now take these moves and put them in place of the middle section of the scramble. And that's it! This is now an R'U''F padded scramble, which leads to the same cube state as the original one. One more note. Sometimes the sequence Cube Explorer generates will begin with an F move or end with an R move, meaning it will still partially cancel the R'U''F padding. If this happens, simply click Add and Generate again, and Cube Explorer will give you a new set of moves. If you're unlucky though, and after a few tries Cube Explorer still won't give you a good sequence, click on Two-Phase Algorithm under Options, and change this value to some other number. Keep trying, and eventually you should get one that won't cancel.